In this video, we will look into the interface of SAP Analytics Cloud. SAP Analytics Cloud is a cloud solution to build analytical apps. Once you subscribe to the SAP Analytics Cloud, you will receive a welcome email with instructions to begin to the system. Visit sapanalytics.cloud. If you are a trial user, click on Trial Login and enter email and password. On the home screen, we have recent stories, recent analytical applications, and some other information. You can customize your home screen by moving or adding or deleting items. This search bar lets you write queries in natural language, which gives you quick visualization without having to open any analytical content. On the top right hand side, there is another search box which lets you to look for files on the system. Next icon is another way to access search to insights. We also have notification bar, discussion panel, help center on the right side. To access the main features, navigate to the top left hand side and open the main menu. Here we have Create, Browse and Calendar. And at the bottom we have administrative functions like security, deployment, connection and system. We will discuss in detail about all these features in the upcoming videos. Thank you.